Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Move Forward with Boldness from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. Move forward with boldness. Don't miss out on what's right in front of you because you're scared of the past repeating itself. Accept the past with loving eyes and move forward with boldness and a spring in your step. Know with complete awareness all is well and everything works out together for good if you simply persist. Amazing. Thank you so much, Danny G. I completely believe that. Since I let go of things from my past, things that I hated. I hated so many things. But as soon as you let go of all of that, truly let go of all that, you have to dig deep to do that. Just find yourself, slow your vibrations down. It's possible. I've done it. I never thought I could do it. There's things that happened to me that I didn't think I could let go of, but you can. Just follow love and it will all work out, I believe. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.